All right, so to make our lace top, this is just part of it. This is the top side. You first have to divide your bust, measure your bust. So you need your tape, measure your bust, and divide into two. When you divide into two, we're first going to work the back side. So there's the back side. What I did with the back side is so if your back is, let's say 20, your bust is 20, you're going to divide it into 10, which means we are going to work just the back, which is 10. You chain 2. So I'm just using as this a sample. So you chain the length of your bust. So your chain should always be the length of your bust. And you go in with a double crochet, as we all know it. So how to do a double crochet. If you don't know how to do a double crochet, you just yarn over and pull it out. Okay, so you have to keep doing your double crocheting. So this is just going to be a double crochet. So we're just going to do double crocheting throughout. It's going to be a double crocheting. If you don't know how to turn, let me do the turn. You just chain 1, get into here. We're working, let me see, yarn over, get in here. So that's what you're going to do till you get, so it's just, since this is easy, that's why I just use this sample, because this is just the beginning of, I'll say, everything. So that's easy. So this my bust, half of the bust. So what I did was to shoulder to nipple. You can decide to do shoulder to nipple or shoulder to under breast. Since the down of the top is going to be a different design, it's going to be lace. So that's what I did. You see, you can this top side of the that's the top side. So this side will be the neck. To make you can just do when you get to the neck, the last two, you can just the same thing as your double crochet, or you can just do a single crochet in between. So let me show you how to do the single crochet in between. Okay. Okay. So this is what you're going to do, your shoulder. So that's what I did. From here to here is 4, and from here to here is 4. So whenever I do my double crocheting and get here, the rest I do single crocheting. When I get here, I do my double crocheting. So let me use this as a sample to show you that. So I do my normal double crocheting to get my inches. Okay, all right. So after you're done with your double crocheting, with this here to here, you're now going to go in with a single crochet. Are we saying a single crochet? So now that you're done with a single crochet, you continue with your double crochet. You can just do 2. You can just do a whole double crochet if you want, but I just want my neck side, the back neck side, to go down a little bit So I just did this side as a single crochet, so that's it. All right. Now to do your lace, we will be doing the lace. To start with your lace, since it's going to be half of your bust, you're going to chain times 9 times. 9 times to cut it. All right, so with your back side, it's just the part of your bust, since that's the half side of your bust. So this is a lace, and I'm going to take my time to break down the lace. You first have to chain 9 times. So it's going to be a multiple of 9. So you get to the length of your half of the bust. So after you get the length, you can do, you don't necessarily have to get exact length, since it's going to shrink. So you can maybe let it pass the length of your half bust a little bit. So if you do 9 multiples till you get to your length. Then after that, you add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After your 5, you're going to yarn over 2 times. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the 9th one, so this I think this should be called either 3 so double crochet and triple crochet. Okay, triple crochet. That means you yarn over twice and put it in here. You pull 2 through, you pull through 2 and pull through. You're going to chain 2, yarn over just 1. It's only the first starting that is yarn over twice. So now yarn over just 1, go back to the same space, and now you're going to do a double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over 1, go back in there, double crochet, chain 2, yarn over 1, go back to the same space. All right, so now we have triple crochet and 3 double crochet. And we're going to chain 2 again and yarn over 2 times. So we're going to do the triple crochet. Back to the same space, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through. So that's how it's going to be. All right, to do the next, you yarn over 2 times, and we're going to count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go to the 9. This is the triple crochet. Okay, chain 2. Now we're doing a double crochet. Chain 2. A double crochet. Chain 2. A double crochet. Now yarn over we are going to do triple crochet, so yarn over 2, get back into the same space, yarn over. Okay, you're going to yarn over 1, 2, count your 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and chain 2, yarn over 1, chain 2, chain 2. Now yarn over 2. So you are going to first you do your triple crochet, then you do 2 of double crochet and 3 of double crochet and 1 of the triple crochet again. So now you have to yarn over again. Now it's left with 5. When you always do when you count your multiple of 3, multiple of 9 wall plus your 6, plus your 5, sorry. You always still left with the last 5. So the last 5, you just go into the last and do 1 double crochet. Now we're going to turn over, so you have to chain 3, turn over, yarn over 2 times, which is triple crochet. So now this is what you're going to do. Obviously you have 1, 1. So now when you're counting, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle 3 double crochet we did, this 1, 2, 3, this middle one, you go to this chain and do your triple crochet, chain 2, get back to the same place, your double crochet, chain 2, the same space, your double crochet, chain 2, the same space, and do your 3. So now we have triple crochet and 3 of our double crochet. Yarn over 2, get back to the same space and do your triple crochet again. All right, now you're not going to yarn, or you're just going to yarn over 2 times again and come back to the next, your next lace, which is 1. We have 1 triple crochet, 3 double crochet, and 1 triple crochet. So you get back to the middle of the double crochet, which is 1, 2, 3. This, the one in the middle, the chain in the chain, yeah, and do your triple crochet again. You chain. So this how your pattern is going to go. Your pattern is just going to go. The first pattern you did is the same thing you keep doing, just that when you keep going, it's just going to be in the middle of the triple crochet. So you keep doing this one till you get 2. So this how you're going to get your nice lace. So it's going to look more like real lace. Since real lace, we always have spaces, spaces for cutting. So that's exactly how it's going to look. So this is also just part of it. So this, all right. So since the back side, I use the measurement of my shoulder to nipple, even though it's back, that's the same thing is going to be here, shoulder to nipple. But since it's lace, it's going to be a little bit more than the. So after that, when you're done, you're going to add everything together and stitch and close the seam. All right, so I'm done with the top side. All you need to do is to add both together, and when you finish, the lace side is going to be a little bit long. It could be a little bit longer than the back, since you did 9 multiples and added a little bit. So it's, but don't worry, that's okay. You just have to add your. So with here, I went in 4 inches, and I closed my seams with a single crochet in the chain. So when you close it in the chains, this is how it's gonna be. And also when you measure from here to here, it depends on how your bust is. So mine was from shoulder to the armhole side, I got 8.5. So the rest have to be same. You have to close the seam. So when you're done, now we're going to the downside of the top. That's how you're going to do it. You're going to go in this side, you're going to put in 3 single crochet. Then in the first chain, you push it in. You can change your hook if you want to, so that you can go inward. You can change the hook to a smaller hook. Since you have to work in the chain here, that's just the first thing. 1 single crochet. Then we go into the chain 2. You go into the chain 2 with 2 double crochet. We go into this side. Single crochet, sorry. with 1 single crochet. You go into 2 chain with 2 single crochet. You go into here. So here, so this side always is just a chain, which make it a little bit harder. So if you wish, you can just switch your hook. Now we're back to the chain 2 that we did in between. So that is going to take a 2 double crochet. You come in here with a 1, sorry, I keep saying double crochet, 1 single crochet. Then we come back here with 2 single crochet. Two single crochet. We get back in here with 1. All right, so we're back to this side. So this side is always going to take a 3 single crochet. 3. See, that's a big space. Now after the 3, we go into this 1 triple crochet. On top of the 1 triple crochet, you put in a single crochet in here. I have a small hook, but I have to go look for it. I'm just gonna manage this. Okay, then back to this. So this is what you are going to repeat. This is going to take a 2. You have to keep repeating this till you get to the end here. Then after that, we go to the back side. So just get to the end of the lace, and I would catch up with you to do the back. Okay, so with the I did change this side. Instead of the 2 in the chains, in the chain 2 chains, I did 3. So what I did was everything was 3 3 3. It's only the chains, and when you get to the chains, I did just once, but inside those spaces I did 3 3 3. When you come to the back, what you have to do with the back is just, since this is a double crochets, you do 3. So this side I have 3. When you do 3, your next single crochet should be 2. Okay, then you go back to the next, which is going to be 3. So you're going to repeat 2 3 2 3 2 3 single crochet. 2 3 2 3. No, I did 3. I'm going to do 2. All right, I'm going back to 3. Okay. And I do 1 here. Okay. So since I have 1 here, I'm just going to slip stitch. So we're done. Now what you're going to do is to work around with your lace. So you're just going to 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. We have our 3 here. Yarn over 2. We're going to count. It's the same as what we did here. You see what we did here? Okay, so you yarn over and count 1. All right, so now that you're done, you have to slip stitch. I'm changing my yarn, so I'm just cutting it out. Okay. So see, this is the top side. I want to get a space, just a space at this side. So to get a space and opening at the side, what I'm gonna do is to start my chain. I'm just gonna start here. So I want the opening here. And this opening at this side will go too much in. So I'm gonna leave my opening here. So with that, I'm gonna start from this side. Okay. So right now we're just going around with the lace. You chain 3, 2, 3, yarn over 2 times since it's a triple crochet, and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 9th, you go in chain 2, and then we do a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet, chain 2, and a triple crochet, 2, 3, yarn over 2, and we are going to the next triple crochet. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you skip 8 and go to the 9th. Oh, that should be a triple crochet. Chain 2, a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet. So that's 3 double crochet, chain 2, then go back into the same space with the triple crochet. So that's what you're going to keep repeating till you get to the end. Since the end will be, I'm going to leave a space, so get to this side and I'll catch up with you. Okay. All right, so now that we got to the end, yeah, so if yours is more than 9, you can just go in with another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with another one. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Go with the last one. All right, so if you're left with the last, it should be 5, but mine is less than, which is okay. I'm gonna do my last. If we're going round, we will just slip stitch here, but since we are not going round, I just want to leave an opening at the side. I'm just gonna go in here and do my last double crochet. Now you chain 3 and turn your work, so there would be an opening here. Turn your work, yarn over twice. On your 3rd, so you have your triple crochet, 3 double crochet. So we're going into the middle of the 3 double crochet. This one is the same pattern that we are following. The same pattern. Chain 2. Go in with your single crochet. We are doing the same pattern, no different. Just the pattern is just going to repeat itself. Go back in. All right, so this, since it's the same pattern, I guess you can just do it on your own. Let me get to the end. Let's get to the, I'm going to do to the length that I want my top to be, and I'll catch up with you.